Hey y'all, so I did it. So just like I was telling you, I need to put these Etransit vans in the garage and put a little heat on because the batteries really pucker up in the winter. And I had sent a video saying, hey, I need to find some garage doors. Well, I ended up getting them. I ended up getting them off of Home Depot from Clopay. And I got a new operator and they're working fantastic. So this operator I got in Costco, it was about 300 bucks. It actually has a camera on it, and it lets me know every time the garage opens and closes. So here's the next one. You can see the opening up on top that I needed to cover up. And here we go. So I'm not sponsored by anybody on any of my videos, guys, but this is something I like. I got this at Costco, so I highly recommend it. But I also had to buy this extension piece. You can see this is for a 10-foot high door.